If you're looking to add a handmade touch to your Easter table decor this year, this little bunny batik is a fantastic touch. All you need is some RIT dye, a white tablecloth, some Elmer's school glue, and a paintbrush. This is a really simple form of resist dyeing using Elmer's school glue, and it's washable, so once everything's put in the washing machine, it comes out, and it's so much more simple to use than the traditional wax. To keep things simple, we just repeated the same shape over and over again. I did this by printing out a couple shapes on a piece of paper so you can put it behind the tablecloth and easily trace over it with the glue. You're going to want to move that paper down the line as you go so you can keep repeating those shapes. Once everything is completely dry, give it an hour or two, or use a blow dryer to speed up the process. You can put it in your dye bath, and then you can put it in the washing machine on warm, and all the glue will come out and your tablecloth will look amazing. All of the areas you had covered in glue will be white and everything else will be the beautiful shade of RIT dye that you chose.